Here it is, the Switch 2. This is the size comparison with a normal OLED Switch. Now we're gonna open it up and see how it's packaged. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh ho ho. Joy-Cons. Second Joy-Con. And then here we have the screen. That is definitely a bit bigger than the Switch screen. But I don't know if it's going to be, the screen is going to be bigger than the actual Switch than the OLED screen. So this is the console. Flip the stand up. So there's the front of it. Here's the back. That must be the speakers or the airflow. And let's see what else we've got in here. So I think this is. Okay, here we got the HDMI cord, and then 2 Joy-Con straps. I do not know how that would even work. That looks like a very breakable design. What else have we got? So we got a Joy-Con connector. This is not the rechargeable one, USB-C charger. USB-C. And then, assuming this is the dock. Oh. I don't know how you open the back. It just pops. Oh, it just pops off like that. So you got your Ethernet connection, HDMI, AC. Cool. Let's give it a play. Slips back on like that. So let's put our Joy-Cons in. That just snaps in like a magnet. It's big, like it's really big. So we've got some music this time. So now it's telling me to detach it from them. So I'll press this button. Okay. It's pretty smooth. It's definitely more ergonomical than sliding out of the switch one, of this that switch. We'll do that later. Okay, so right off the bat, we've got a system update. There we go. So we just did the system transfer. So now we've got all our games on here, or our save data, I guess. Let's see if I can. Cool. Did this neat little animation when you go to the home screen. So. And it plays a neat sound when you press this button. I don't think this is going to work because I haven't paid for it. Welcome to Game Chat. Let's get set up and ready to go. Nah, fuck that. Cool.